Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for Spriggy Pocket Money. If you want to get started and registered for Spriggy Pocket Money, then follow the steps till the end of the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box at the top and type in spriggy.com.au and press enter, which will take you to the official website of Spriggy. Click on the Get Spriggy button at the top right hand corner and follow the prompts to create your account. Provide necessary details such as your email address, mobile phone number, name, date of birth, your kids' details, and so on. Start off by typing in your first name and then your email address. Enter your mobile phone number and select your date of birth from the drop-down. Scroll down under Kids Details, write down the name on the first prepaid card. Choose a card design from the bottom of the screen, and if you've got a second child and you'd like to add another child, you can click on Add Second Child and follow through the instructions. Make sure to type in your second child's information as well and enter your card delivery address in the next field. Enter a referral code if available and click on this little box at the bottom to agree to the product disclosure statement and privacy policy. Now click on Get Spriggy. Once your account is created, you may need to verify your email or mobile number. Go through the instructions and verify your email or phone number, and after verification, you can set up your child's profile and link your bank account to load funds onto their Spriggy card. Now you can easily manage your child's pocket money and teach them financial responsibility. That is how you can easily sign up and get started with Spriggy. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episodes. Thank you for watching.